Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗹. So in this video I am going to review the anti-blue light eyeglass that I got from Jumia. So the Jumia agent delivered it to me, so I got it today, so I want to review it. The name is anti-blue light eyeglass. So it is an eyeglass if you do press phone for a long time, if you do press, if you do look on your computer screen for a long time. For me, I press phone and I look at my computer screen for more than 14 hours, 15 hours. So some day throughout the day and even night, so it's beginning to affect my eyes. So I heard about anti-blue light microphone because of the light, the blue light that come out from your phone screen or your computer screen. It do affect eyes, so that's why I got this anti-blue light eyeglass from Jumia. So I'm going to unbox it now. So let me open it. So let me open it. So I have my razor here, so I will use it to cut it off. So open it. So I think I'm going to like this. Let me bring it out. This is it. So let me still open it more. So let me still open it. I think I'm going to like it. So I do press phone and work on computer for a long time, so I think this will be cool. This will be cool. Okay, I think so. This is it. So this is it. It is still inside this leather. I've removed this one. Okay, so let me finally bring it out. Let me finally bring it out. I think okay, this is it, guys. Very clean. See guys, see, you can see, guys, I like it. So I want to wear it now. I want to wear it now, guys. Let me finally test it. Yes, it is okay. It is nice. It is nice. I like it. I like it. So I think now I will press my phone and do my computer things. That is affecting my eyes. I like the quality of it. I like the quality. So I like the quality. You see the reflector. You see it reflecting like this. So I think yes, if I wear it, I can see changes. It makes everything clear, and zoom it. And zoom is closer so that you can see it well. So everything is bright. Yes, I can still see changes. So that is this, guys. So this is the anti-blue light eyeglass that I got from Jumia. So I will appreciate it, guys. If you want to get one for yourself, check the link in the description of the video. You can get it to my Jumia affiliate link. I will get some commission for that. For that, you can use to appreciate me. So check the link, and if you click on that to get this same anti-blue light microphone. If you do press computer for a very long time, or for your phone, you need this, guys. So get it. Check the link in the description. So I think you can see. I think it fits me. So it is getting darker here. This is infinite. So let me bring it closer here. So you can see it. I think so. You can see it, guys. You can see. So guys, I like it well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and go to the comment section and let me know what is your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. Keep noting here, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. And again, I like the quality of it. I like the quality. Everything is very perfect. Everything feels perfect. So guys, you can see the overall quality of it. You can see it fits perfectly. You can see, like, the quality of it is very nice. Okay guys, so I think after using it, I will just put it back inside this leader. So guys, so guys, so, and I use this to zip it up to avoid dust. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.